Hello, everybody. I'm your host, Derek Bird, here at StopStrugglingNow.com. And today, we're going to talk about that stimulus package. Actually, I'm fooling you about that, because nobody's coming to save you. That's what we're going to be talking about. What are you going to be doing to help improve your life while you're sitting around here waiting on stimulus money? Come on now. Welcome. And please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. Now, let's get to it. All right, welcome back. Now you know how we got to do this. To Foci Optics, check. Stop Struggling Now gear, check. And we're talking about this stimulus money. Now come on. A lot of you now are about stressing after being out of work. Let's just go over some numbers. 180 million Americans work on a normal basis. 325 million Americans total. So therefore, if 60 to 90 million people are out of a job, that means half of the workforce is out of a job. What do you think's going to happen? A lot of stress, a lot of mayhem, a lot of things that are going to be bad are going to be coming down. And what side of the fence are you going to be on? If you've been here for a year, year and a half, you've heard me talk about starting your own businesses, getting your credit scores proper. In fact, even investing so you have passive income coming in, and start your own LLCs, business credit. We went over all of this. And I know some of you still had that 9-to-5 mentality. And some of you still do. Because you're still sitting around here moping. You're sitting there going, oh my God, what's going on? I don't have that stimulus money coming in. You didn't sign up for that LLC to get your EIDL. So this is why I have to start off with the stimulus package. Because there's people that are not going to get that stimulus money. Some people are. But let's just say, for the sake of argument, that we're going to be talking about today to you, the one who may get it or may not get it. It doesn't really matter. You know what's going down. You're sitting here stressing right now. For all those people who did not heed the warning and get their extra streams of income in order over the last year, year and a half, 6 months, even 3 months ago, you're sitting here stressed out. So what am I trying to say here, ladies and gentlemen? We're trying to talk about getting things in order. We're trying to talk about, did you get your LLC? You guys know you can hit me up at Eric@StopStrugglingNow.com anytime. So don't be shy. I'm here to help you out. So don't worry about it. With all that said, this is time to get a little more serious than usual. And what I mean by this is, if you haven't gotten that LLC started, now is the time. If you haven't been getting your credit in order, now is the time. If you haven't started your social media accounts, now is the time. This is not going to get better for you. If you already have a lack of income coming in, if you already have reduced income coming in, there's no miracle sauce coming. The government's job is not to save your behind. The government's job is to make sure that you rely on them. That's why you may get a $1,200 check. You may get another $1,200. You may get a $2,000. And you have all these yahoos sitting on this YouTube channel talking about stimulus money. What are you going to do after you get the check and you have no job? They ain't helping you with that, are they? That's why you got to go to the Emerging Millionaires on our Facebook group and get some tools that can help you make money online. This is the No Guru Zone. Everything I'm talking about is free. You can start it for free. There's no cost, nothing involved with it. Just your time, your energy, your effort. And like I'm telling everybody, and I'll tell you, don't give up. Keep going, because every day is an investment in your future. Just because we made a penny today or nothing doesn't mean that it doesn't pay off 3 months from now, 5 months from now, a year from now. But you have to start. So this ends up being motivational. Don't give up, ladies and gentlemen. Don't pay attention to the bad stuff. If you're out of work, if you're out of a job, you can't let that stop you. You can't be a prisoner of yourself in your own mind. A mind is a terrible thing to waste. Don't let it waste you. Just because you don't have $1 to your name, just because you say, hey, I can't invest 500, just because you say I don't have 2,000, just because you say I don't have 10,000, what does that really mean? That just means you're focused on the negative. You have zero money today. Is that stopping you from getting Facebook page, YouTube channel, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok? Does that stop you from being able to promote other products and be an affiliate marketer, referral marketer, a niche marketer? Hell, you know how many people are laid off, out of work? 90 million? Don't you think there's a few million people looking for ways to make more money, ways to improve their life? I think that's what you're going to have here, right? You can find your own little niche. But the key phrase here is, it doesn't cost you anything. You can create whatever you want to create. I guess I have a few people here. I didn't even know there was security around here. Learn something new every day when you come outside and hang out. Or when you don't hang in Florida for a few months. But anyhow, back to the story at hand. Just because you feel like things are bad, you're down and out, that doesn't mean you can't plan. That doesn't mean you can't prepare. That doesn't mean you can't fix your mind, right? That doesn't mean there isn't somebody here on YouTube trying to help you out. There is. And I'm not asking for any money. That's why you go to our Facebook group, and then there you can get your Canva free. You can get your TubeBuddy free. Canva, it helps with images. So if you want to say something that helps it out, you can do things with images, add, print. You can do whatever you want with Canva, free. InShot helps you edit videos, free. YouTube, free. Instagram, free. Facebook, free. So therefore, does it really cost you any money to start whatever you want to do? Hell, I had some guy email me the other day, and he might be listening to this right now. He says, Eric, I need a LLC, build business credit, and then after I do that, I need business credit so I can get a line of credit or a loan or something so I can get $50,000 so I can give it to somebody else so they can promote my company, promote my products. Needless to say, this is the no guru zone. For $50,000, you can start a whole 20 companies. This is ridiculous. I'm saying the same thing. I was like, why are you doing that when you have a product? You can go to eBay and sell it on eBay. You can go to Amazon, sell it on Amazon. You can go to Etsy, sell it on Etsy. Come on. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. Why are you trying to shortcut? There's no shortcut to being successful. Just get that out of your mind right now. Even if you get a course, you still have to put in the work. That guru isn't sitting there holding your hand. They're not making phone calls for you. They're not getting you out of your house going to do whatever you need to do. They're just giving you a playbook. And believe it or not, all you have to do is write something down. 9 out of 10, 90 out of 100 people, they'll buy the playbook, but only 10% are actually going to do something with the playbook. And out of that 10%, 1 to 2% are actually going to be successful. This is why gurus sell information, because they know 1 to 2% of their students are going to be successful. And those 1 or 2% that are successful, they're going to put up their glowing review. And then you're thinking, I can do the same thing. Well, here I'm trying to tell you, you don't need no glowing endorsements. All you have to do is believe in yourself. You are your own endorsement. Once you work hard, once you put in the work, nobody can stop you. So that's what we're here for today. If you need any help, just hit me up or leave a comment down below. It's for free. I don't have a consultant fee. This is dire times. This is pandemic situations. This is epic proportions that Americans, the United States, the world has a problem. And ladies and gentlemen, if you think you have a problem, and if you knew 50% of the population makes $5.50 a day or less, I'm talking about in the world, 7.5 billion people, half of them make $5.50 a day or less. Now are you feeling better? I don't know why you would. You still have to go to work. You still have to pay your bills. So with all that said, it's Motivation Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, every day. You got to put in the work. So please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. And you know it's hard out here. That's why we're talking about stop struggling now. That's why I'm talking about trying to get yourself in order, make yourself better right now. While there is a pandemic, while you are sitting at home, you should be educating yourself. You should be getting up to speed so you can make money while you sleep. And I'm here. So with that said, keep your head up, keep moving, and I'm out.